Hello, and we're live. Welcome to my stream about setting up filters on Google, or I should say Gmail, Yahoo, Mail, and Outlook. These filters are designed so that if you want to subscribe to something but don't want them cluttering up your inbox, it will automatically sort mail from uh, different websites depending on how you set up your email or how they email you. There's multiple ways on how to set up a filter and how it filters it. So to start, I'm just going to do with what I'm familiar with, which is Gmail. And for the example, I will be using the WatchPeopleCode app that they made for um, Reddit, which is what I'm currently kind of hosting my streams out of, and the reason why I started it. So they have a nice little mailing list here. Okay, so we enter our email address. So you just type it. Okay, all good. Hit subscribe. And sadly, I forgot to test this. That's actually the reason why this was open. And refresh. And this is what we call live. Okay, one second. I'm going to Reddit. Yeah, I should be able to get a live update if I make a new post quick. Live stream, C++ dev. Okay, I don't know how to trigger that. Okay then. Okay, for the example of filters, I will just use one of my other accounts to send it to this one. And that's how we will do this. So I have my other email account. I will just quick make a new mail. Yeah. This is less used, so I might mess up a bit. Do test. Make filter. Okay, cool. Send. Give it a minute. Well, that's running. I might as well send one back because I want to show how to do it on Outlook also and Yahoo. So I'll send you today. Well, I need to finish up registering. I will probably take a break then, just quick finish up registering and get that set up, and then yes. So right now we'll continue. 075. Should have came. Good enough. That's not how you spell it, but oh well, that one came quickly. Oh, and there's there. Okay, cool. So here's a test. Make a filter. Now we want to send that to, let's say, I don't know, trash. I don't like myself. So we go on Gmail. We'll go to the settings right here. Go settings. I'm gonna go labels. No, filters. Sorry, filters. And you want to go down, create a new filter down here at the bottom. Okay, and then there's several things you can filter. You can do from, which is what I will do right now, because I can say Kyle will 0725 at Gmail or Outlook.com. You can also do a to filter, so if you want to just filter yourself, or if you had different email addresses that are redirected to this one, that would work. The subject, if there's a specific subject you know that it'll have, or if it just has some words, or an attachment, or whatever, as you can see. So then you can do create filter with a search, and you can do skip the inbox where it won't show up in your inbox. You can automatically mark it as read, or you can undo the skip the inbox and mark it as read, so it won't show up as unread, but it will still be in your inbox to look at. You could star it if it's interesting, or what I like to do is create these nice labels where it's nicely organized, such. I have one for PC Part Picker, one for Twitch. So we will just throw this one into junk, because it's junk. You can also delete it, don't send it to spam, mark it as important, never mark it as important, categorize as whatever. And then you just hit create filter. And now, if I go to my junk, I should have one more, or maybe not. Okay, so this only applies for incoming mail. That's just a heads up. You can manually do it just doing a search box. I just searched. Search that. That will only come up. So then we just do junk. Label as junk. There you go. Now it'll be my junk folder. No, it won't. Move to junk. There we go. That's what I wanted. Now it is there. Ha! I win. And here's an example of when I just directly send it. Test 2. More junk. Send. And that'll take a minute, just like last time, I think. Should, I think. Anyway, while that runs, I will do the example of sending it back over to Outlook and having Outlook do the filter. And seeing as we just noticed this last one, it requires a filter beforehand. We will, well, actually not. It's a good idea to, you typically don't have to wait to set up the filter because you won't always know what email they're going to use. So that's how we'll do this. Oh yeah, but I already sent that, that's right. So I do have my email. Ta-da! Right there. So now we go to Settings, Manage Rules. You can set up a new rule. Sender contains, and this is exactly what we just did earlier. And now the following actions. Ooh, you can even do multiple actions with Outlook. That's cool. You can do multiple rules. I'm not sure if Gmail can do that, but that's pretty sick. Condition, trash condition, add action, trash condition, or action. Move to, or mark as junk. That sounds good. Great rule. Nice. If sender contains that, then mark as junk. Beautiful. And now, when I send myself another email, ow, it didn't move it. But did it show up? Yes, it did show up in junk at least. Oh, I didn't hit skip inbox. That's the problem. That skip inbox will prevent it from showing up, or you can mark it as red, as we discussed earlier. Now, if we do it again for this one, add. I do not know what I am doing. Just do Fura. Send. Junk. And it just went to junk. I'm actually really liking Outlook. It's much quicker. Anyway, so that's how you do it for Gmail and Outlook. Finally, Yahoo. Like I said, I'm going to quick take a break, fix this up a little bit, and then we'll be back. So I will quick pause the video. Personally, I think they're better than Yahoo, but I've never used it, so I suppose I shouldn't say that. Well, I guess that's it. So thank you for watching, and have a good day, or night, or wherever you are. And I stopped streaming. And we're back. I kind of messed up. I accidentally hit stop stream instead of switch the screen to my be right back screen, but oh well. Over that little break, I had problems. Basically, the Yahoo account would not be created. And yes, so I will not be able to show Yahoo. But I have shown Gmail and I have shown Outlook. So feel free to use those. And